Putragis na yan. Yung isang customer namin, foreigner. Gusto niya i-video ko yung problema ng motor niya kasi iniwan niya lang. So ito yung motor niya. Shout out kay Sir Oliver. Sir Oliver, pipilitin ko yung malupitang English para sa'yo. This is the problem of your motorbike, sir. If we... Putang na, paano ba Englishin nyo na? When we remove the air cleaner, we saw your air cleaner, sir, like this. It's messy. Putang ina, ang hirap naman. Okay. That's why you're experiencing bad riding condition because your air cleaner is not good enough. Okay? This is number one problem. Then you heard something noise. This is the problem also. The bearing, transmission bearing is the problem. So we need to replace the bearing and the belt, as you say, like that. The belt is the problem. Look at that. Maybe the oil spill on your belt. So we need to replace the belt or clean. If it's good, I think it's good, but we need to clean this or replace. Then, but the bearing, we need to replace the bearing. Putang ina. The air cleaner also replace. Look, sand and water. It's mixing. Wish it. Tangin na, pagkahirap pala magkaroon ka ng foreigner na. Gusto niya pang ipa-video.